Siren Madness. Year 612 and P.50. Siren 1003. This breakfast is gonna stew. We're gonna put in the oven. P.50, come here now. We're gonna breakfast now. No thanks. What? Because I'm sleeping. Because why you sleeping? Go here now. I'm cooking. I made a breakfast now. Come here now. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, Mom. I mean, it was 612. Go breakfast. Okay? Now it's your turn. Okay, go back to school now. I mean, go to the school now. Okay, bye. 2 hours later. I'm here now. Okay, class. We are doing the divide. 9 divide 3. Me first. 9 is divide 3 is 3. Great job, P.50, Siren 1003. How about 16 divide 4 is 4. Great job, P.50, Siren 1003. After recess. This is my favorite recess food. Now let's eat it. A glass of water. Wait, I have Tempest Cola in my bag. I can notice it. No, this is normal. Oh, this is the Tempest Cola. That was good. I like that Tempest Cola. It's like it does what this was and all this. After recess, going home. Ma, year 612. I'm back. How's your doing? Where's your report card? Here's my report card. Wow, you got a lot of A's with a plus. You're good. Yes. Okay. Oh, hello guys.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
What's that sound? I don't know. Guess it's this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.